Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful accessory that has captured the hearts of festival goers and party lovers alike. Get ready to elevate your Oktoberfest experience with the best flower crown on the market, the EBOOT Assorted Colored Flower Crown Wreath Headbands. Imagine yourself surrounded by friends, laughter, and the spirit of celebration, all while wearing a stunning floral headpiece that makes you feel like the life of the party. With its exquisite design and versatility, this flower crown is perfect not just for Oktoberfest but for weddings, festivals, and any joyful occasion that calls for a touch of floral elegance. The EBOOT set includes an impressive 15 assorted flower crowns, featuring a variety of vibrant colors. From soft pastels to bold, eye-catching hues, these headbands are designed to complement every outfit and every mood. Whether you're going for a bohemian vibe or a chic festival look, there's a crown here for you. Each crown measures approximately 7.1 inches in diameter, making them suitable for most adults. The adjustable leaf ribbons allow for a comfortable fit, ensuring you can wear them all day without a worry. Now, let's talk about the quality. Made from durable paper and fabric leaves, these crowns are not only lightweight but also built to last. You won't have to worry about them wilting away during the festivities. Plus, they're designed to stay securely in place, so you can dance, laugh, and celebrate without constantly adjusting your headband. Perfect for various occasions, the EBOOT flower crowns can transform any event into a whimsical celebration. Whether you're attending a wedding, a music festival, or just enjoying a sunny day at the park, these crowns add a fun and festive flair to your ensemble. They're also great for photography props, making every picture look enchanting. If you're thinking of gifting something special or looking for party favors, these flower crowns make for fantastic gifts. You can easily share them with friends and family, making memories that last long after the festivities are over. With a price point of just $18.99 for 15 crowns, this set offers exceptional value. That's just about $1.27 per crown. It's a small price to pay for such a joyful accessory that enhances your festival experience. And remember, with the holiday season approaching, these crowns can be perfect for themed parties and family gatherings. So, if you're looking to bring a little magic into your celebrations, look no further than the EBOOT Assorted Colored Flower Crown Wreath Headbands. With their stunning colors, comfortable fit, and versatile use, they truly are the best choice for your Oktoberfest and beyond. Be sure to check out the link in the description below to grab your set today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting product reviews. Until next time, keep celebrating and keep smiling.